So this is where we end up. But let me show you how we got here. Intro. Okay, so first off, I had a fight with an iron. Guess who won? The iron. What we're gonna do today is we're going to use LALA AI to create a song. We're gonna use it to separate the stems of whatever song I get, and I'm gonna use that as a sample in the whole nine in some production. A little different speed for this channel. We're just gonna make some music, have fun, and go from there. Now, I will mention that LALA AI also did sponsor this video. I appreciate it, but they gave me the freedom to just use it for what I like it for, and let's see if it works for you in any way. Now, what we're gonna do is this. Let's call my mom. Let's play a little game. We're gonna call my mom. We're gonna ask her what she thinks I should sample and just go from there. All right. I'm calling my mom. Hello, mother.
Hey, what's up?
How are you today?
I'm well. How are you?
Okay, say hello to the audience.
Hello, audience.
All right. My mother says hello. All right. I got a question for you. I want to redo an old song or any older song. What would you pick? Like what song, like one of your favorite songs? Like what's one of your favorite songs?
My favorite song that always gets me on the dance floor is Follow Me.
Ooh, Follow Me?
Yes.
Oh, you gave me a hard one. Okay, cool. All right, so Follow Me. Dun 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 dun. Follow me. All right, bet. All right, let me get to it. All right.
Bye.
Bye. Dang, I knew she was gonna give me something like that. All right, cool. So Follow Me it is. All right, so first thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on over to iTunes and I'm going to grab the song. And yes, everyone, did you know that you can still buy songs on Apple Music? Interracial hate. I didn't know he was singing like, he said, spinning interracial hatred. Say word, hold on, he was a little woke on this, hold on. All right, so now I got Follow Me on my desktop. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to separate the stems. And what that's gonna allow me to do is basically, just manipulate everything separate from each other, and I'm gonna use different elements. So I feel like probably like the most memorable thing about this song is the bass line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extract that bass line. So now let's bring in Follow Me, boom, and have it separate. Yo, we might make something fire, I'm not gonna hold you. Boom, 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 boom. So let's take a listen and let's see what it's hitting for. So this is without the bass if I'm not mistaken, or this is the bass by itself, one sec. I'm about to go crazy, bro. All right, process the entire file. Oh, and I'm already getting ideas as far as the other stems. I think I'm gonna do I think I want that violin, that string, like the string sound, the da da na na na. I think I want that da na na na. That'd be hard. And then that vocal, you already know I'm gonna smack something with that vocal. And then we just gonna do our own drums and stuff on top of that. Let's get it. And the beautiful thing is I can go right here, just keep extracting stuff. Follow me. Follow me, yeah. Follow me. Put a sexy drill on that. Boom, boom, boom. Follow me. All right, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna really make something that I might actually use. I knew my mother was gonna pick something old, like mad old. I was hoping she'd pick like a Monica song. But this song, honestly, as a kid, I remember her, bro, this was like her favorite song, like as a kid. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is bring these samples in. So here we go, import in, and I already had it in my folder. Follow Me stems. I'm gonna bring in all 3 of these stems, convert them, bring them things in. All right, so right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock things into the tempo and stuff like that and go from there. So one second. This is an old record, dog. All right, where am I gonna go with it? All right, so we're gonna leave it at this tempo because I feel like it's so important to keep that. That's the point of the record. It's a baseline driven record. Like I remember this record. If I hear that sound, it's like, oh, I remember this record. So we're gonna keep it just like that. Let's get it. Now I'm gonna take some of that low end out of that. Oh, I already hear that vocal. Hold on, let me get that vocal right quick. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow. Why don't you follow me? Woo! That boy good. That boy good. That boy good. I wonder if he watched this video. Imagine that the man that sang this song. I think it's LA. I forgot. I don't want to mess his name up. But yeah, bro. Yo, bro, you went in, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, respectfully, bro. And if you don't like when people call you bro, I'm sorry, because I know you're much older than me. But all respect to you. You know what I'm saying? I hope he doesn't see this, actually.
Follow me, follow me. Why don't you follow me?
Bro, I'm gonna slap this. I'm gonna be like, she don't wanna tell me what's done. The song alright. Hey, the song alright. Say, hey. I love my Rosetta EQ.
Follow me, follow me. Why don't you follow me?
So now that I've chopped my sample and the vibes are there, now I'm going to start playing around with some stuff and start adding like newer sounds on top.
Follow me, why don't you follow me? Follow me, follow me. Why don't you follow me? Follow me. Why don't you follow me? Follow me. Why don't you follow me?
Let's get money, 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 money. If anyone wants this beat, just let me know. I'll send it, bro. That's word to my mother, bro.
When my people, I'm hoping.
All right, let me start to structure this out and make it feel really special. 1 second. Oh, I have a fire kit. Hold on. Woo, I'm just gonna add this vocal. I just want to say, give it to him. I just want to say, give it to him. Follow me. Let's get this vocal in place. Tess, give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him. One more time. One more time. Give it to him. Ah, one more time. Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him. Well, confident. Give it to him. That's the money. Give it to him. There's one last thing I have to add to this. Just a little pop. I just want to add like a little throw to kind of fill it up. 1 second.
Higher than the cloud.
Woo!
Give it to him.
I think it's time to call my mother. If she don't pick up this phone. Ma, where you at?
What's up?
I need you to come downstairs.
You need me to come downstairs? All right. I'm literally down the block. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm walking out now.
I'm gonna fight you. Okay. Come listen to this. Hurry up. Hurry up.
I'm coming down.
Okay. All right, we're gonna wait for her to get over here. Yeah. All right, she's back. Let's get it. Mom, come on. Come on. Just vibe. Just peep this. Just peep this. I made a little vibe. Come on.
I'm hoping to see the day when my people can all relate. Give it to them. Follow me, follow me. Why don't you follow me? Follow me, follow me. Follow me, yeah. Follow me, follow me. Follow me, why don't you follow me?
That's what I made. All right, appreciate y'all. Shout out to LALA AI for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for letting me be myself and just make music and have fun with the thing. If you want LALA AI or to start using it and stuff like that. I'll leave a link in the description below. Check it out. I appreciate you for letting me remake one of my mom's favorite songs. And yeah, comment, like, subscribe, the whole nine. And yeah, until next time, y'all.
I'm hoping